Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for some people that are asking me, is there any way I can help them to fix the problem by, like, sometimes the battery lock is pop up easily, like pop up like that easy, or sometimes the gear cover, you can see, is like pop up like easy like this. So if you have those kind of the problem, don't miss this video. Okay, so here I will share some idea that I'm using and also show you how to do some modifications and to fix this problem. All right, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here's what we need. We need 1.5 and 3mm spacer and 4 lock nut, 2 O-ring, and 2 leftover parts from the popsicle. Okay, so then we're gonna start to install. After you put on the gear cover and battery lock, we just put the 1.5 spacer, and then we put 3mm spacer. And the back, we only need to put the 2 3mm. Then we just tied up with the lock nut on top, and then simply we just put the rubber O-rings, and the simple upgrade is finished. Okay, so here is the next level upgrade. So you can see I cut off the battery lock part on the gear cover. So after using the plastic cutter to cut it, then I just sand it evenly, so make the surfaces flat. Then we just install it. Then also the 1.5mm at the bottom. Then there's 2 popsicles. You can see the bottom. I sand it to the round shape and make sure it doesn't damage the battery skin. Then we put 1.5mm spacer on top. Then still lock with the lock nut. Okay, and the back we still do like before, just tied up with the rubber O-ring, then it's done. So here you can see I try to move the battery and it doesn't move, and the battery lock is tight at the right position as well. So that's simple and done. Okay, so here you can see if you want to take off and change the motor is also very simple. So basically you just slide it open and take off the battery. Okay, and then it just take off all the O-rings, the rubber O-rings. Then you can just pop it out and you can be able to switch the motor whenever you want. Okay, so this is a very simple way to do this upgrade modifications. So whenever you need it, then you just need to tighten it up, and whenever you want it, and just do like that. So simple and easy. All right, so this is today's video, and if you have any question, please leave your question in the comment at the bottom. I'll reply to as soon as possible. If you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.